Hi, and thanks for joining me, Emma Louise Hamilton at the Amazon Dream. If this is your first time here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you get notified when I next release a video. I'm going to be doing a bit of retail arbitrage today, and I'm going to be bringing you along with me. This trip is slightly different. I received a tip off that Smiths are actually selling Lego dimensions that have been reduced to 99 pence. The Lego Fantastic Beasts were originally £9.99 and they've been reduced to 99 pence, and they're currently selling for about £15 on Amazon. So I'm outside Smiths, as you can see here. I'm going to head inside and fingers crossed I end up finding some Lego dimensions reduced to 99 pence. So I'm just walking inside now and let's see what we find. So I'm currently in Smiths and I came for one specific thing, which was the Lego Dimensions Fantastic Beasts. There were actually 2 left on the shelf. This is one of them, and it was actually saying there was 2 left online, and I was debating whether to come because I thought, would they be gone by the actual time I got into store? But luckily they still have £5.99 on them, so I don't think people know the 99 pence. So I got here just in time and I got these 2. When I go to the till, they should be reduced to 99p, as I found the offer and hot UK deals, and I'll keep you updated on where and how I sell them. So how much would that be?
£1.98.
So great news, I've been in this shopping complex where I am for about 5-10 minutes. I've already found 2 items that will bring me in about £12 profit. So while I'm here in the retail store, I'm going to have a look around and see if there's anything else. The battery on my digital camera is gone, so apologies if there is a dip in quality, but I am now about to head into Boots. I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm now about to head into Boots and see if I can find anything in there. Just in Boots at the moment, heading to the clearance section. I'm in the eBay app currently doing a bit of research and looking at the sold listings for the fertility kit. Prices brand new have sold for anywhere up to £80. So I'll definitely be getting this as it has a decent return on investment and is selling quite frequently.
Yeah, just don't touch it. Stiff one older at school. As well.
They're off school tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
The
Holiday,
voting.
yeah.
So I'm trying not
If you can get them into the walking centre. The Parsonage Street Walking Centre, I know they're right when you go in.
So these are some of the items that I have purchased, and if they sell before I actually list them on eBay or Amazon, then I will tell you the price that they sold for. So I picked up these Charles Orthopedic ankle stabilisers. They were £3 in Boots and they're selling for about £15 on eBay. These ones were £2 each and they're actually selling on eBay for about £20, and I took everything they had on the shelf, which was the 4. And I've also got this Nick Hotel item, which I picked up for £5 and it's selling for about $15.20 on eBay. I picked up this clear blue fertility monitor. It's actually £25. It was actually £25 in Boots and it's selling for about £60 on eBay. The box isn't in the greatest condition, therefore that is why I'm selling it on eBay. I've actually not checked on Amazon what the price is or if I'm eligible to sell it, but seeing as it is going for 3 times the price on eBay, I'm going to throw it up on there. Then we have my second favourite purchase of the day. The first favourite was actually the clear blue fertility kit. So this one was actually originally £9.99 down to £5.99, and I got them for 99 pence thanks to a tip off from my friends who let me know they were listed on hot UK deals and that you could actually get them for 99 pence. I think the shop maybe was trying to sell them for £5.99 as there was no 99 pence sign on these, otherwise they would have definitely have gone. So yeah, I picked up the last 2 in the shop. At the time of making this, a few of the items have sold. I'm going to now list the profit for each of the sold items. This is showing you the true profit after Amazon fees and taxes, and also after eBay and PayPal fees, and also postage to the customer. The Lego Dimensions brought in £13 profit. The clear blue kit, £30. The True Metrics testing strips was a total of £43, and the insoles were £8.50. So I was outsourcing for about 1 hour, and in total my profit so far has been £95, and there are still a few items within that haul which haven't yet been sold. I have mentioned Hot UK Deals a few times throughout this video. I am now going to explain what it is and how to access the site to find free potential leads. So step 1, go to Google and type in Hot UK Deals. Hit the search button and the results will appear. So as you can see, it says Hot UK Deals, the best place for deals, discounts and freebies. Find daily great offers and voucher codes. So simply click this link to access the site. At the top of the page you have deals, voucher codes and freebies. The freebies section, which I'm just about to click into now, tends to be digital downloads for games and voucher codes. You can also find other things such as this decathlon backpack, which is free if you attend the store opening day. Scrolling back to the top, there is also a search section where you can search for brands or products, and then finally you have the register/login button. As this is a community focused site, you can actually register and log in. This enables you to vote up deals or vote them down, which will help other users know which deals to go for. If a deal has successfully worked for you, you may thumbs up the deal so more people get to see it. Likewise, once you are logged in, you can also comment on deals and get into discussions. And finally, we have this little red submit button on the right hand side. So you can actually submit deals by pressing this button. A moderator in the Amazon FBA Dream Facebook group actually shared a fantastic tip the other day about how you can submit deals on this site as an advanced arbitrage tactic to help boost sales in your business and fend off competition. Be sure to check out that post in the Amazon FBA Dream Facebook group. Let's do a bit of live sourcing together. So here we have highlights. These are products that have been highlighted. Then we have the hot section. These are products that are being voted hot by the users of the site. Then we have new. These are items that have just been put onto Hot UK Deals. So as we can see here, this one was posted 2 minutes ago, posted 4 minutes ago. So go to the new section if you're trying to find items that have just been posted and might sell out quickly, as some of the deals on here do sell out. So if you come to the new section, you'll be able to find the latest deals first. And then we have the most discussed section. I was just scrolling through and I've come across this Bull's Eye barbecue sauce for 29p a pound stretcher. This has been posted as a local deal, but as pound stretcher is actually nationwide, it could be in a pound stretcher near to me or you. It looks of interest and the price point is fairly low, so I'm going to check now on both eBay and Amazon to see if this item is selling on there. Popping onto eBay, I'm just going to search this product in the search box, and we can see the item has actually been listed on the site and they've got different flavours. But most importantly, it is the sold section that we're most interested in. We're not really interested in what's been listed. We're interested in finding data that has proved what has sold. So in the sold section, we can see this item has actually been selling. Scrolling through, it is actually quite clear to see that the value in this product is by selling it as a multi-pack or bundle, as one item is selling for £1.99, whereas 3 are selling for £9.99. Scrolling down, is there any others? Yep, so again, a pack of 3 on eBay is selling for £9.99. So if you can get your hands on this product from Pound Stretcher, then this could be a goer. I'm going to head over to Amazon and see if the item is selling on there. The item is in fact selling on Amazon. Let's have a look and see if they've got the same flavour in which it is listed in Hot UK Deals. And this is the one, the UK Steakhouse sauce, and it is 70,000 in grocery, and there are 2 other FBA sellers. Clicking in, we can then analyse if the product is profitable. So if we bought 3 of these from Pound Stretcher, it would be 87p. and we can see the profit after fees and shipping costs will be about £1.24. And there are 2 other FBA sellers selling the item, and we can see that it has been selling 1 or 2 per month, which isn't great, but it's also still selling, and it is over 140% ROI. But so this is an example to show you how you can actually use Hot UK deals to find products. So before you go out and do retail arbitrage, you may pick up some extra leads by checking out the website, and it's also wise just to get into the habit of checking the site now and again, especially if you are struggling to find deals. It is a site that I used to use quite regularly back in the day, and as mentioned, it is totally free to use, and as I have demonstrated, it is pretty straightforward to use as well. So that brings me to the end of the haul today. I actually came out predominantly to get the Lego dimensions. I was able to find a few other bits while I was here because I went into a few other shops, but that is the way to do it. If you come out for one item, be sure to have a quick browse around the other shops and you might be surprised at what you find. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and as usual, hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you can be notified when I next release a video. I make videos all about Amazon FBA, entrepreneurship and mindset. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. To start selling on Amazon, be sure to check out the Amazon FBA course, which has helped students make over 5k in their first month. If you have been researching Amazon, now is the time to get started. I will put a link in the description box so you can start your FBA journey and live the life you truly deserve, thanks to the freedom that an online business can provide.